Okay, hello everyone. Those are here in the class. And today I'm going to teach you this painting, sunflower painting, oil painting. And if you are not having material, then don't worry. You will get the recording in my app, Sarabat Classes. You have to download it from the Play Store. And you will get to batch option there. Okay. On that batch, you have to click and you have to add batch code there. That is oil painting. The batch code is oil painting, and you will get this recording there in also in that app. Okay, it's a free of course, nothing you have to pay for that. Okay, and for this painting you need few shades. Those are not having, just watch it properly, and I will clear all the doubts if you feel you get in between in this class. Okay. Okay, let's start. I will just. Okay, able to see my the screen, painting screen, canvas.
Yes.
Okay. Any one of you having doubt? If you don't, if you cannot speak, then message in the chat so that I can see the chat box and can get the question so that I can answer you. Whether you are beginner or you are regular in painting, you can do. Okay. Firstly, for this, you need brushes. Brushes I will use. One is 0 number brush, 000, 0 number, 0 or 000. Okay. One number I will use, that is 5 number. Okay. And the third brush.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hello. Yes.
Ma'am, मेरे पास बस only two brush है.
Don't worry. Whatever, which number you are having?
12 number and 7 number.
Oh, it's too large for this painting. Because what size of canvas you are having?
Ma'am, ये size है. 8.
Your name,
8
please.
8 by 8. ये खुशबू कुमारी.
Khushbu Kumari, just on your camera. Then I will able to see you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, on your camera.
Ma'am, camera कैसे on होगा?
You will see the option in the downside that where you have seen the option of mic.
Okay.
Mute with. Okay, fine. You can do something. Khushbu, just take your and escape.
Yes,
yeah, now
okay.
I am able to see you. Just show me your canvas.
Yes.
Show me your canvas. Okay, you are having large canvas, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you if you use 7 number brush here then.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, 7 number.
Okay, ये 7 है and 12.
I think it's not a 7, it's a 1 number brush. Check it.
7 लिखा है.
इमेज क्लियर है.
मैम 7 लिखा है इसमें. 1 नहीं लिखा है. 0 लिखा होता है ना. 0 and 1 2 3 साइज लिखा होता है.
Okay. Fine, you can use 7 number brush here.
थोड़ी ना है ये खबर पड़े.
Okay, everyone, those are here. Just mute yourself so that we don't get any disturbance. Okay, let's start the painting now. I have taken 000 number brush, 3 number brush, and 5 number brush. These 3 sizes I have taken. And the color shades we need, that is white.
Okay.
Mute, Khushbu.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Mute
ये चल सकता है.
These are the, I think, Faber-Castell. I don't know which colors are these. Acrylic or what?
Yeah. Acrylic color है, ma'am.
Use acrylic, don't worry. Do use that. But take the same shade I am taking with from that. And I will mute you now because okay, some noise is coming from your side.
Filling paper there.
Okay, I have taken white color. Take your lemon yellow color. Take lemon yellow color. Cadmium yellow color. Cadmium or chrome yellow, whatever the color you are having with you, just take that.
Needle. क्या रखी है उसमें?
Okay, take burnt sienna. Take Scarlet Lake or any orange you are having on your color palette, a light red or orange, and Persian blue color. I will repeat the colors again. Take out white color, white, lemon yellow, cadmium yellow or chrome yellow, burnt sienna, Scarlet Lake, or that any orange you are having in your color palette, and Persian blue. Okay, these shades you need for this, and draw this properly. If you have not drawn it, if you can, if you want, then you can take a screenshot of this as well, because after that you will not get a screenshot. I will start the painting. Okay, let's start the painting now. Yes, who is this? Do anyone having question regarding colors shade?
Ma'am, yes.
What?
Ma'am, what's the difference in third and the fifth color? Please repeat.
Third and the fifth color difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Orange. This is a dark type of orange color, and it's a yellow color. It's a, you can say, a golden color, right? Golden yellow.
Okay, ma'am. तो आपने लिया है, इसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा रेड और व्हाइट भी मिक्स करके बना सकते हैं ये कलर.
No, you have
Fifth
to
one.
mix. You have to not to mix white with orange. You have to mix yellow with the orange to make this shade.
Okay, ma'am.
Means 10% of Scarlet Lake you have to take, and 90% of lemon yellow you have to take. Just see. Here I'm taking lemon yellow, okay, to make this color. We will not exactly get the same color, but you can create the same shade. Means you have to take very less Scarlet Lake, but much yellow color. Almost
Okay,
the
ma'am.
same shade you got. Okay. If you're not
Okay.
having, then don't take that. Here I have taken drying oil. Drying oil I have taken to dry my painting fast, because when we use linseed oil, our painting will get will not get dry very fast, because it make painting not to dry even for 10 days. So I have taken a drying oil so that my painting get dries in within 4 days. And here I have taken turpentine oil, in which I will clean my brush. And how to clean my brush? How to clean brush, I will tell you now. Just see it properly, because it's important to see. Just right now I am having this color on my brush. Okay, this color I'm having on my brush. What I will do, I will take the tissue on my hand and just dip your brush into the turpentine and clean the extra color properly. Then again dip it, then take a turpentine, then clean it. Don't wash your brush in the turpentine. When you feel that your color, there is no color in your brush, then do like this. Okay, otherwise you have to take turpentine again and again. So it's a tip. Remember this while cleaning your brushes. So let's start now. Firstly, I will do this portion. And when we start painting, we have to see what the first portion we have to do. Here in this painting, the first portion we have to do is the background. Why the background we have to do? Because it's a step, it's a thing, it's an important thing that when we start painting, we have to do the background first, then we have to move it further. We have to move further. So firstly, I will do here. And for the background, I need Persian blue color, okay, and white color. Take your Persian blue and white color for the background. I will use that. 1 minute. If you are not having Persian blue, then you can use cobalt blue here. Okay. Here I will take my small brush number 3 and will start the base background. Firstly, I will take Persian blue with a dot of linseed oil. Very dot of linseed oil I have taken here. Sorry, drying oil I have taken here. Okay, a dot only. You can use linseed oil if you are having linseed oil. And firstly, I will fill the background here, as I told. Hi, Bilkis.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. आप कैसे हो?
You. Okay, if Bilkis, whenever you have question, just unmute yourself and then ask. Right now, please mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am filling my this background. The first step when we start any painting, whether we are making any landscape, the first thing that we see that we have to make first means the last thing that you are able to see, you have to make it first. The first thing that you are able to see, you have to make it at last. This is a concept you have to follow in every.
Ma'am, you have used only Persian blue.
Galaxy One A7. I think you are रीमा और मैम, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली. मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं सही आ रही, या तो डिस्कनेक्ट करके दोबारा ज्वाइन करना प्लीज.
मैम मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि आपने सिर्फ पर्शियन ब्लू नहीं आना, इसमें व्हाइट कलर.
रोहिणी मैम प्लीज ज्वाइन अगेन, योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग प्रॉपर्ली.
ओके.
या here I am applying Persian blue color. Right now, why I have done this dark color in this area? The reason is the shadow of the petals. Whenever we have to do the thing, there is something shadow at the back side. So this blue color is a dark tone, that is a shadow. So when we do this petal, this area, this portion will be dark. This portion till this will be dark, but this portion will be lighter because the no shadow is there. But this part, this corners will have dark tones. So right now we have to do this part. So just see what I'm going to do. Firstly, I will apply the dark tones where I need to apply. Apply where I'm applying. And whenever you use your brush, I have to do my brush like this because otherwise this I will do this. You will not able to see the part. So I'm doing like this. So whenever you do painting, always keep your brush on 90 degree. Okay, always keep your brush on 90 degree. My currently students, those are in in batch, Reema ma'am, Renu ma'am, and everyone, those are doing with me. Remember 90 degree. Okay. You have to keep your brush 90 degree whenever you do painting because it's a think that you will able to do painting properly. Okay. Yes, Rohini ma'am, what you were saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that have you used only Persian color or have you mixed it with white?
No,
But then I saw the color.
right now I'm using only Persian blue. I have just given a dark tone. Later on, I will give white color and then we'll mix it.
GG, I understood that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now I am done with my dark portions. And now what I will do, I will take my another brush, and with another brush, I will take white color on the separate place. Okay. And we have to make a shade here. So how to make shade? This is a trick. Not to mix only Persian blue. If you will mix, it's looking dull color. Now, the thing is, we have to create the same shade that I want in the picture. It's looking like a teal blue color, a fresh blue color. Something green is coming. So, here I will use my green color. Which green? Any guesses? Any guesses? Which green?
Dark green,
No.
light green.
Dark green. No.
Ma'am, Viridian hue. Viridian green.
Yes, Viridian hue I will mix. Okay. Viridian hue I will mix, not sap green. सिया भूल गए? Don't worry. You have to add Viridian hue in this to change the shade. According to the need, according to the shade. If I show you this shade, okay, now after making the shade, I will show you this and white color. If you will see, 1 minute. I am taking this blue and white to show the difference between white and blue plus white, blue and Viridian. See the difference. Able to see? Something green is coming from this shade. So that is important. Okay. Now we'll take more white here. You can take clean brush to do here and do here. Now apply this color. And how to apply? Not a proper flat brush. You can use something roughness because it's a background and we want some rough texture here. So I will just move my brush like this. You can move your brush like this. I'm not touching both each other, not mixing both the colors, blue and light blue. Why? I will tell you later. Just apply color till here. So I am done with this part. Now I will mix both part. For the mixing, okay, for the mixing, I will just do like this on the both color, and very softly you have to do. Very softly, not to rub too much on the both colors. Yes, who is this? Hi, Amrita ma'am. Who is this? Yeah, unmute. Thank you. Okay, now just blend both, but very softly, not to mix too much. Do it very softly. Don't rub your canvas. Don't rub your brush on the canvas. Very softly, you have to mix. Now, what I will do, I will take some white color like this. You can take with another brush and just do like this. You have to give strokes on the top of it. Very soft, and it strokes on the back side of it. Okay, and we are ready with our background. Okay. Any one of you having doubt till now? Then ask.
मैम मुझे तो बिल्कुल डाउट नहीं है.
Good. Others? Renu ma'am, Sia, Ria, Rima ma'am, Khushbu, those are doing with me. Bilkis?
हाँ मैम, वो पहले पहले का जो बताया मैं नहीं हो पाई थी थोड़ा अच्छे से ज्वाइन. तो क्या बताए थे पहले पहले ऑयल्स के बारे में?
मैंने मतलब कलर्स के बारे में या क्या टिप्स या क्या?
नहीं, पहले वो तो हाँ वही टिप्स वगैरह बता रहे थे. और ऑयल दो रखे हैं आप, तारपीन और एक ऑयल.
हाँ हाँ, मैं बताती हूँ, दोबारा बता देती हूँ. Here I have taken drying oil or linseed oil, whatever oil you are having, just take that. Linseed or drying oil, sorry. Linseed or drying oil. Here I have taken turpentine oil. This oil is used for cleaning the brushes. Sorry. This oil, the linseed or drying oil, is used to make a color thin. Okay, to make a color thin. And this turpentine is used to clean the brushes. How to clean the brushes, that I am doing right now for me. Here I am having color in this brush. What I will do, I will just clean the extra brush like this from my brush with tissue, and will not rub my or will not move my brush in the turpentine. What I will do, I will just dip my brush, and I am having oil in my brush now. See, and clean it with tissue.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, here you have mixed the color on the painting, blue and light blue. So, ma'am, here you have tap when you have mixed both the colors.
No, I have done crisscross, means this.
Okay, ma'am.
See, is this.
ठीक है.
Like this, you have to clean your brushes.
मैम ये आप ब्रश पे लगा रहे हो कलर सारा कुछ जो आप कर रहे हो?
Yes, this is a handmade the palette. I don't prefer to use that palette we get from the market, but as you all are beginner, you can use. But this palette is a type of risky palette, because whenever we have to clean the color palette, we have to do it very carefully because of the edges. I have so many cuts on my hand, but whenever if you can handle or tell your parents to do that, you have to apply the mask tape or any masking tape on the edges so that you can make your own color palette. What I did, okay, I will tell you now how to make color palette. So for making color palette, what I did, I have taken a glass piece, okay, glass piece I have taken, and on the back side I have pasted, 1 minute, let me show you. These are the dippers that you will get from the market, okay. On the back side, I have applied this white paper, okay. I have applied this white paper, and then later on I have taken masking tape or any good quality tape you have to take and just apply on the edges and fix your sheet with it. Okay, and then you can use this color palette and you can clean your color palette very fast according to others. If I show you my another color palette that I purchased from the market, you can see the condition.
Yes, ma'am. Kitna ganda ho gaya.
It will be white all the time. Whenever you will change your sheet, it will be get white. But this you can't do. I have cleaned. It's a clean, but damage.
Yes,
Yellowish, right? See.
इसकी मैम आपने क्लास लगाई थी ये जो आपने बनाया है?
What?
Color palette.
No, I have not taken any. Yes, I have course in which you can get all these things, detail of colors, detail of this color palette, detail of this paper. That course I have on my app, that oil painting course for beginners.
अच्छा उसमें ही है सारा कुछ.
Yeah, everything is there. Everything.
ठीक है, फिर मैं एक बार कल मेरे पेरेंट्स से कंफर्म करके फिर आपको पेमेंट करा के फिर मैं सारा कुछ सीखूंगी फिर से.
Sure. Okay. Now it's time to do next part.